Bula and welcome back to Jejemon Fiji. I hope you're enjoying the show. If you're joining us via our YouTube channel, make sure to like this video and give us a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you get a notification for every new video we load up. Right, last month I flew to Singapore with our national airline Fiji Airways to shoot our Come Fly With Me series, and while there, I also attended a fashion show by Singapore-based Fijian Fashion Designer Jyoti Singh. Her show was part of the Canadian Association of Singapore Gala that was held at the Westin, Singapore. Take a look. Bula and welcome to the Westin in Singapore, and it is a proud moment because I'm standing next to fellow Fijian and design extraordinaire Jyoti, whose brand Kilda just showcased here at the Westin. Now we have Jyoti with me. Jyoti, can you tell us about the fashion show this evening?
It is for a very good cause. It's a charity. It is to educate our less fortunate children. It is organized by an amazing bunch of people. I have Moira here, who's head of committee, I believe, and put the entire show. I've just turned up with my dresses, and there's gorgeous ladies behind me, all volunteered to wear the dresses and showcase them at the runway.
Now all your models looked very beautiful, and we had a chat about this earlier on. Now tell us about the collection. Is this collection currently available in store here in Singapore?
Half of it is, and some of are not. There are still some in sampling stage. There are showpieces, especially for Canadian Ball, and they will be available in next 2 months.
Now, one thing that I always love to ask designers is the inspiration behind their collection. What was your inspiration behind your collection this evening?
Oh, this is a difficult question. There's so many inspirations I start from, but today, honestly, it's a combination, I'd say. Inspired by the nature, by the beautiful fabric, the sparkles, the joy around, and because it is for children, I decided to add sparkle in their life through the collection.
Well, thank you, Jyoti, for the invitation to come and experience your beautiful fashion show, and we wish you the best of luck for your career here in Singapore, and good luck for Fiji Fashion Week.
Thank you. I'm very excited. Looking forward to Fiji Fashion Week. Thank you so much. Looking forward to seeing you. Pula Vinaka.